think we found Wendy's secret garden. It's very secret, very hard to find.
The field are always wet with rain. After a summer shower, when I saw you standing in the garden, wet with rain. You wipe the teardrops from your eyes in sorrow. Yeah, we watched the petals fall down to the ground. Yeah, and as I sat beside you, I felt the great sadness that day in the garden. And then one day you came back home. You were a creature all enraptured. You had the key to your soul, and you did open that day. You came back to the garden. The old and summer breeze was blowing against your face. All right. The light of gold was shining on your countenance divine. Yeah, you were a violet color as you sat beside your father and your mother in the garden. The summer breeze was blowing on your face. Well, then your violet, you treasure your summery words. Yeah, and that the shiver from my neck down to my spine ignited me in daylight and nature in the garden. And you went into a trance. Your childlike vision became so fine. And we heard the bell within the church. We loved so much and felt the presence of the youth of eternal summers in the garden. All right. And as it touched your cheeks so lightly, born again you were and blushed, and we touched each other lightly. And we felt the presence of the Christ within our hearts in the garden. And I turned to you and I said, no guru, no method, no teacher, just you and I and nature and the Father in the garden. Listen, oh guru, no method, no teacher, just you and I and nature, in the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost in the garden, wet with rain. No guru, no lesson, no teacher, just you and I and nature. Yeah, the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost in that garden, guru, no method, no teacher. Just you and I, nature and the Father in the garden.
Now this place here is a real slum. It's a slum. Look at it. Terrible. Terrible stuff. And that's their dog kennel there. It's a very big dog, I know.